know the truth. That he wanted to play hero. And he made a dumb call, and he got himself killed. What the hell, man? Done, man. Done. I'm done.
Ready, okay? No, don't! Stop! Being an asshole! I'm not being an asshole, I'm trying to get to them! You're always trying to get yourself killed, and I can't let it happen again! Stop being so selfish, please! If you go on there, you're gonna die, and I can't deal with it again. You can't die, because I can't deal with it again. Don't let it happen again. Please. Please don't let it happen again. Not you.
No.